Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Android automation with Google Assistant routines, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Android automation with Google Assistant routines, begin by opening the Google Assistant app on your device. If you don't have the app installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Routines. You will see a list of existing. Tap on the plus icon to create a new routine. Now, you need to choose a trigger for your routine. You can select voice command to activate it with a phrase you choose. For example, you might use good morning or time to relax. After selecting your trigger, move on to the next section labeled Assistant Will. Here, you can specify actions that Google Assistant will perform whenever your routine is triggered. You can add multiple actions by tapping on Add Action. Choose from options like adjusting volume, controlling smart home devices. If you want to control smart devices, ensure they are linked to Google Assistant beforehand. Next, you can select Add Starter for additional options. This allows you to create more specific conditions for when the routine can start. Now, scroll down to customize the Play Music section if desired. You can select a specific playlist or let Google Assistant choose based on your preferences. Once you've added actions and any additional settings, proceed to the device settings. Select which device you wish to trigger the routine on, such as your phone or smart speaker. After customizing everything, tap Save in the top right corner. To test your routine, activate Google Assistant and say the trigger phrase you set. Observe how Google Assistant executes the actions you've programmed. If adjustments are needed, return to the Routines section to edit your routine as necessary. Continue experimenting by creating different routines for various times of the day or activities. Remember to keep your Google Assistant updated for the best performance. Enjoy the convenience of your new automation setup with Google Assistant routines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.